Here we are at 1522 Reycraft, and this house just listed today in Millwood, Kalamazoo Promise. It's a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath, and I want to take you on a little tour. I love the door and the little entry of this house. You come right into the spacious living room with the big window, the beautiful wood floors, the French doors out to the side deck, and fully fenced in backyard. And just a really nice room with all the character and charm of a classic Millwood house. Then you've got the archway that goes into the dining area, again, carrying the wood floors throughout. Now this casing of the, I'm gonna open that up a little bit. The casing of the kitchen used to be like this arch that we just went through, but they've opened it and made it so functional with this beautiful wood beam. You still have the cute built-in, and hello, someone can make me coffee. Thank you very much. The cupboards are kind of a greenish gray, and then the backsplash painted, so cute. The butcher block counters, all stainless appliances, and then check this out. This is really cool. It's a brick feature wall with a updraft and a new stove with these side tables that really expand the functionality of this. And then you've got some cool slate tile going on in the kitchen. Walking down here, you have the main floor primary. And again, we've got nice wood floors. For reference, this is a king size bed, so I always like to have that for reference. But how cool is this? You have 2 closets. That's unheard of in these little bungalows. So that is just so wonderful. I love this little old phone nook. It's so cute. You've got a full bathroom down here, painted the cabinets. You've got nice lighting. It's bright. You've got the tub shower combination here. So that is great for washing littles and or dogs. Such cute detail in this house. Then you have another closet here, and then you have a second bedroom on the main floor, which, just take a look at this feature wall. I'm gaga over it. It's again that kind of a dusty green gray color, and I have been really wanting to do one of these walls, and I think it's time because it's so cute. And look at the decorations that this sweet mama made for her baby girl's room. Again, nice functional size. Then I want to take you upstairs. So this is probably one of the best uses of the dormers that I have seen. This family who's selling this house has 6, I did not misspeak, 6 cute children. And so what they did is they turned this, look at the paint, isn't that cute? They turned this into a loft area for their 4 boys. So you've got closets galore, you've got storage galore, and then they put the bunkies in here. Oh wait, what's that? Oh, just a little climbing wall. How fun is that? And it's so perfect for having 4 boys. A little lounge area. The cool thing is up here, we have a fully remodeled bathroom, half bath. So when the kids need to use the potty in the middle of the night, it's right here. How perfect. So even if you wanted to swap and use this as your primary, you absolutely could, because there's just a ton of storage up here. So I love this space. and what this sweet family did with it. I think they utilized it so well. Going back downstairs, I want to show you what they did with this pantry. These guys are really talented. They did a lot of the stuff themselves, but look at how cute this pantry is. I mean, come on. They took the doors, they put the chicken wire, they split them, and y'all, all the way up to the top. I mean, come on. With a family of 8, this really helps. It helped a family of 1, quite frankly. But again, carried the same color, and I just think it's so cute, the character. So then we have downstairs, let me try and, okay, the light might be down there. Down here, we have a second living space, you guys. I think this is great. So you've got a second living space with, you could do playroom, movie room, whatever you want. You've got built-in bookshelves here. So you can even make a little library down here. I mean, there's so many possibilities. Then they have this cool slide door. You've got one workroom here. So again, you've got some great space. And then you've got the utility room, which also has all of these cupboards. You've got another workroom with the furnace back in here. And then you've got, oh, you just heard it kick on. Then you've got your laundry here, but look at all this storage again. This house is just adorable. You've got 3 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, 2 living spaces, a bunch of updates, right in the heart of Millwood. Kalamazoo Promise, fenced-in yard for Rover, pantry, great kitchen. This one is just one of the cutest that I've seen, and I am so honored to be able to sell it for these folks, and so they can move on to their next chapter. If you have any questions, I'll put the link to the house in the comments section and also my contact information. Thanks so much. Have a great day.